Hello, I'm Juver Palacios Cordova for Inspiring Teacher Program. And tonight, I talk about the noticing approach. In the noticing approach, the learners need to be aware of the input and attend to be able to the process inputs, which means that the input becomes an intake. Three advantages of using noticing approach to grammar teaching learning. First, learning through the music, learning through the movies, and learning through the literature. I'm going to comments about relevant aspects to take into account when using this approach. Use a language with strategies that include their interest. Classroom interest instruction is very useful, but frequency in a communicative input is more important than. The last one, noticing is the essential starting point for acquisition. So remember, noticing approach. I hope for your comments. Best regards.